What is the seventh term of the following sequence? In this case, we're looking for some type of trend to occur. We have 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So what we want to do is we want to see if some difference is occurring. I'm just going to rewrite all of the 6 terms they give, and they just want us to figure out what the next one is. So we don't have to think of some kind of complicated formula. From 1 to 1, there's no change occurring. So it stays the same. From 1 to 2, we increase by 1. From 2 to 3, we increase by 1 again. And then from 3 to 5, we increase by 2. From 5 to 8, we increase by 3. As you can see, there's no apparent trend here though, because here we have a plus 1, but we have a plus 1 again. If we add plus 2, we might see a trend there. So we have to try and think of this in a different way. Well, one typical way that they show trends on this test is if you take the sum of the two numbers before it. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next, if we do 1 plus 2, that's equal to our next term 3. If we do 2 plus 3, that's equal to our next term 5. 3 plus 5, and you get the point, that's our next term 8. So therefore 5 plus 8 must equal the next term, which will be 13. So you can see that I just tried the most common ways. We're looking first for an arithmetic sequence, an arithmetic sequence being a sequence of numbers or string of numbers where there's a constant difference between each. As you can see, there is not a constant difference between each, so this is incorrect. The next most frequent way they show trends or sequences is just adding the first couple, in this case the first 2 terms to get the third, the next 2 terms to get to the fourth term, the third and fourth to get to the fifth, etc. And so finally you get 5 plus 8 is equal to 13.